Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to decode a QR code. What I simply mean is that I'm going to show you how to read a QR code. Let's say you have a QR code that has a URL assigned to it. Let's say a QR code with the URL google.com. I'm going to show you how to use Python to scan that QR code and get the URL from that QR code. So now I have a QR code which I did. Now this QR code is it links to codewithtomi.ml, which is my website, my blogging website. So what I want to do, I want to scan this QR code using Python, and then once I'm done scanning it, once it gives me the data, it should bring out www.codewithtomi.ml. So let's dive straight into that. So I'm going to use a Python library, two Python libraries actually. We're going to use a Python library called pyzbar. I'm also going to use another library called cv2. So for it to do this, just type pip install pyzbar, and then I already have that installed. And also type pip install cv2, and I also have that installed, so you should say requirement satisfied. Now let me just kill this terminal. So what I need to do now is just to first of all import that pyzbar. I'll say from pyzbar dot pyzbar. I want to use the decode function, decode, and then what I now want to install import now is cv2. Import cv2. Now, when I have these two libraries, CV2 is used to read in that QR code. Now, as I said, I have this specific QR code. CV2 is the Python library which is going to read that image. And then after reading that image in, pyzbar is going to decode that image and tell me the URL which is assigned to it. So for us to do this is very easy. Let's read the image and specify it in a variable. Say img equals to cv2 dot imread, and we're going to open the bracket and put something like r, and then we're going to put like a string and then put the path to that a QR code. Now on my laptop or my desktop, this is the path to that QR code, to that image. So now what we just want to do is to say print decode image. So now I just need to print everything it can decode. Now let me run this. Now after running this, let me just increase the font. Now if you can see here, it prints out I think an array. Yes, so if you can see here, it says decoded, so it says data. This is the main thing we're looking for, the first one, which is www.codewithtomi.ml. Now in my last video I showed you how to create QR code, and in this video I'm showing you how to decode the QR code. So if you don't know how to create a QR code using Python, you can just check out that video. I'm also going to link it in the description below. So when you have your QR code created, you can also read in your QR code using this, and you can see it also puts some features, some details in which will be helpful, like the point x equals 163, y equals 163. All these are very helpful. These are what is used to form all those black spots and everything, to make each text, each URL assigned to and a QR code dynamic. That's why when you put google.com, the QR code won't be the same as when you put bing.com. That's the difference. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button, and please subscribe, and please turn on the bell notification button so you get notified when I drop new videos. And if you have any question at all, just drop in the comments. I'll be sure to answer all questions. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.